Oh my gosh, I'm so impatient. I just want to try this. Easter's around the corner, Lauren. What does that mean?
It means jelly beans.
Easter's around the corner. What does it mean?
No.
It means jelly beans.
Exactly. It means jelly beans.
So we've made Peeps recipes. We've made all sorts of fun stuff. This is a jelly bean one.
Yeah, I'm super excited about this one because it has to do with the one and only, the famous Dole Whip.
Are we allowed to say Dole Whip?
We are allowed. I looked up other recipes online and they all called it Dole
They all
Whip.
called
So I was
it Dole Whip.
like, unless they're suing all of us, we'll be good.
All right, it's a make-at-home DIY Dole Whip. So
Jelly Bean Dole Whip.
Jelly Bean Dole Whip. So this one's kind of fun because you can play around with this a million different ways. Go ahead and put your jelly beans in here.
And which ones are these?
Those are coconut jelly beans.
And we haven't announced the flavor of Dole Whip.
Yeah, so we're just kind of highlighting the flavors already in the Dole Whip, doing pineapple and coconut. So kind of like a pina colada vibe. But you can use whatever flavors you want. The fun thing with this is you can use a variety of jelly beans. It'll just make like a fun color. And you can mix in whatever jelly beans, but we wanted to try and stay true to the classic recipe and just do Jelly Bean Dole Whip. So this takes a little bit, medium-high heat, and go ahead and give that a stir around.
Okay.
So it's just water, jelly beans of choice. So we're just infusing, making jelly bean syrup, infusing the flavor of the jelly beans into the classic Dole Whip mixture, which is just coconut and pineapple basically. And there's a ton of ways you can make this. We're gonna use a soft serve machine, so that's really fun. You can dispense it into cones. You can also make it in a blender, which is fine. You just use frozen ingredients, blend it all together, kind of like a smoothie. You can just scoop it into your serving bowl, or you can put it in a piping bag, pipe it in, but we're doing it the fun way with a soft serve machine.
Yeah, I love soft serve. I've never seen jelly beans melt. It's a little interesting.
So they don't really melt. What you're trying to do is just get the flavor and the sugar out of them. There's a little like jelly part to it that we're gonna strain out.
Dehydrating?
Yeah,
You're taking all of their fluids out to be in the water, so
there
they're
we go.
dehydrating.
Infusing. We're infusing.
Dehydrate your jelly beans.
Step number one. So don't let this come to really a boil, maybe a soft simmer. You just want these jelly beans to melt, get all that sugar and flavor out of there. It's really nice for spring. It's like light, refreshing, and it's vegan.
So jelly beans are, well, yeah, I guess they would be. There are no animal products in jelly beans.
Let's double check that.
Don't put that on until we confirm.
What's good about Dole Whip is it's normally vegetarian depending on what you put into it. So coconut milk, fruit, I mean, you can't go wrong there. It's delicious.
What other flavor combos would you try?
I'm a big fan of peach jelly beans, so I would do like maybe peach, or if you're like a blue fan, like the blueberry ones, the blue raspberry, blueberry, I think that would be so good.
I love peach and strawberry smoothies, so I bet that would be a good combo.
Peach and strawberry would be delicious.
When I worked at Jamba Juice way back when and gave so many free smoothies away, don't tell them, I would make a smoothie that was peach and banana, but peach and strawberry was like 10 times better. So next time you go to Jamba Juice, peach and strawberry.
So what we did with these is we went shopping, normal candy store in your town, and they have the individual flavors like in the dispensers. So we just dispensed the flavors we wanted. You could do a mixture of jelly beans, that would be fine too. Just make sure there's no like weird flavors in there, like a popcorn or like the earwax ones from Harry Potter. You know, there are some funky flavored jelly beans out there and you don't want them in your Jelly Bean Dole Whip.
Unless it's like April Fool's and you want to pull a prank on someone.
You're doing it early April, yes, there you go. This will probably take like 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium. You want to cook it nice and slow and gentle, just so it doesn't burn. Just be really careful. Unlike Lauren over here, splashing.
I'm not splashing.
I'm
trying to keep the bubbles from bubbling up and snapping us in the face.
We're using a shallow pan, but usually I use like a little taller saucepan. That way it'll make sure you keep all the liquid inside, nothing goes sloshing around.
Would you let kids help with this step?
Probably not with this step, but the rest of the steps, I mean, maybe even after the blender step, is a fun way to get the kids involved. And
it smells really good.
Yeah, it smells like jelly beans. Mmm.
That's one of my biggest pet peeves, when people make noises while they're eating food.
While they're eating? What about while they're
like
smelling?
If I eat a jelly bean, right, and I'm like, I hate that.
I feel like that's normal human behavior though.
But if like, it's not like a initial, you're just sitting across the table from someone, and it's just quiet, and they're like, You're like, stop!
I will admit, jelly beans are kind of my weakness just because they're so easy to eat. and they're always a surprise.
How do you know when it's done? Because they're definitely getting smaller.
They'll be like about half the size. They'll be kind of clear. I got jelly bean in my mouth. Ready to strain? Here we go.
I'm gonna let you handle that. It's real hot.
All right, yeah. Be super careful. We've got our jelly bean extraction. All right, on to the next step. Just let this syrup cure, just let this syrup cool down before you use it. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it cool off while we get ready for the next step.
Okay.
Blender time. All right, we've got our cooled jelly bean syrup.
Oh,
do you wanna stick a finger in, give it a little taste?
Oh, really?
I mean, we're amongst friends here, so maybe use a spoon if other people are enjoying this.
Yeah, if you're making this for someone else, I'm getting like a real finger in there.
Oh gosh.
Ooh, it is really good.
Tastes like the jelly beans, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh, it tastes like the jelly beans.
See? Fun stuff.
Coconut and pineapple jelly beans. Who would have thunk?
Who would have thunk? Jelly bean flavored syrup.
Syrup. You are really struggling with the word syrup today.
Syrup is not my word today. Is it syrup or syrup?
I say syrup.
Syrup?
No, syrup.
Syrup? We got some pineapple here.
This is frozen pineapple.
You could use frozen. This is gonna go in the soft serve machine.
It's probably really loud.
You could use fresh pineapple too, doesn't matter. But if you were making it the blender method, you'd wanna use frozen.
Pineapple juice.
Just give it a little bit more liquid and extra pineapple flavor.
Coconut milk.
Mm-hmm.
Why coconut milk?
Coconut milk is good because it plays into that tropical flavor, and it's a lot thicker than regular milk. You could use regular milk, go ahead if that's all you have, but I like coconut milk and it keeps it vegetarian, non-dairy, keeps it non-dairy, which is good. All right, we're gonna do our syrup, and this is some lime juice just for some extra acidity and flavor. Give us a pinch of salt, Lauren.
Oh, just a pinch?
Yep, just helps balance out all the flavors, just a tiny amount, maybe a little tiny amount.
A little bit more?
Just a pinch, yep. And some vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract, good stuff. Lid on, and if you'll do the honors, Miss Lauren.
Okay. Does it matter what setting it's on?
Nope, you just want it, hit the power button.
Have it on first, step one.
And you just want it blended so the consistency is really smooth. We're not gonna strain this or blend this out, but you want all those pineapple chunks in a smooth consistency.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God, that story was amazing.
So good. I hope you guys got all of that.
All right, so let's just get it a little double check here. Oh look, nice and blended. You could use a food processor as well. Scrape down the sides if some stuff gets stuck to the top, but this looks good. A little extra blend there. All right, we're ready.
What are we ready for?
We're ready to get this chilled and soft and get our toppings on here.
How's it smell?
It smells really good. Smell?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells like a pina colada.
That'll be the other secret.
I was gonna say, where's the liquor when you need it?
Mix a little rum in here. All right, and set this to the side. Let's get our machine now.
Let's go.
Right. This is what soft serve dreams are made of.
Oh, what is it?
This is the drum, the insert, makes it all frosty and delicious.
I can't see over into the machine, so gonna have to let him take care of this part.
Tippy toes is the way to go.
You said you wanted me to pour it in, but I cannot see, so that's a terrible idea.
Get a little stool, we got a little stool.
Stepping stool. All right, this is getting real serious to pour this Dole Whip in this contraption.
It's a little overkill, but okay, here we go, lady.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
I'm a little scared. Is it gonna open by?
Gotta do it that way.
Okay.
Pour all the liquid in there. Pray that nothing leaks out.
I know. This is the first time we're secretly, this was a secret, but it's no longer a secret. First time we're using this baby.
All right, here we go.
You're along for the ride.
All right, we're locked into place. You ready?
Yes.
All right, fire her up.
What do I do?
Turn it on.
Something's happening. Can't see anything. I need the stool back. Oh gosh. Oh.
You see in there?
Oh yeah, it's turning.
Okay.
Thanks for the lift.
All right, So this should take about 20 to 30 minutes. Just let it cook and then just check the consistency.
This is like when you get food in the drive-thru and you can smell the French fries, but you can't eat the French fries until you get home. 20 to 30 minutes, I don't have patience like that.
You don't need this to make Dole Whip, but it's a fun way to do it because it has the soft serve dispenser. There's the regular ice cream makers, the little ones that use the same kind of technology, same pieces. You can go ahead and make it in that, scoop it out. The other way you can do it is blend everything frozen in your blender. It'll make a little smoothie consistency mixture. Pipe it into your cups and you've got Dole Whip that way.
So that's my go-to at home when I have zero patience.
But this is a really fun way to do it. You can mix in the candies afterwards. This is going, this is cooking. Yeah, we'll see.
28 minutes to go.
How's it looking, Lauren?
Looks good.
The hardest part is being patient. Waiting for this to be finished. Why did the jelly bean cross the road?
Oh my gosh, that's exactly what I was thinking!
Why did the jelly bean cross the road?
What?
Okay, we're close. I think we gotta go. I think we gotta do it.
Okay.
You ready? Do you want to be the dispenser or the cone holder?
I wanna hold the cone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hold it underneath the spout. Ah! All right.
I'm so excited.
Fingers crossed this works.
Seriously, we haven't tested it. It's not coming out. Oh, here we go. One steady stream.
I can't see it.
All right, and stop. Oh God.
There it is, our soft serve Jelly Bean Dole Whip. Give it a taste.
Beautiful. You can have the first taste since you came up with this recipe. Oh, this is his better side.
It's my good side.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh.
I need a jelly bean with it. Will you hand me?
Oh yeah.
You gotta like, you know, it's Jelly Bean Dole Whip, so you gotta top it
with a
off.
few jelly beans. How fun is this?
Just decorate a little more. Make it,
I love it.
A little more festive.
All right. I'm gonna make another one.
How much soft serve Dole Whip does this make?
Good question. I'm not really sure.
So good.
Oh my goodness.
I consciously stopped myself from going, because I just complained about it for so long.
I didn't dispense this one really well, but there we go. A couple jelly beans on top.
2 thumbs up. Help me, put your thumb up. 2 thumbs up.
Wow. So tropical.
Yeah, and it's really pretty easy.
And go crazy, mix in some jelly beans. You can use different jelly bean flavors. We just wanted to use those classic Dole Whip flavors.
We're gonna write an article with a ton of flavor suggestions. The next one that comes to mind for me is cherry lime. Just like Sonic, they have the cherry lime drink. Yeah, you can make a cherry lime one.
And that little bit of vanilla is like really key.
It almost tastes like there is actually the shredded coconut in it because it has like that chalky coconut taste, but in a really good way.
And it's so light and refreshing and creamy.
I think our job here is done.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, sir.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
Pat on the back, Mr. Soft Serve Machine.
This is not an ad.
No. Well, I think you'll love this for Easter. Kids will love this. This machine in particular is so much fun to use, but there's a whole bunch of different methods you can use with just stuff you have around the house to make it super easy. You don't have to go buy anything special. But this machine's not that expensive and it makes it that much more fun.
Thank you for developing another wonderful recipe for us.
You're welcome.
We have more.
Oh my God.
On Thanksgiving.com. Lots of great recipes, including last week Christopher made a peep grilled cheese and it was so bomb.
So bomb.
So bomb.
All the sugary goodness to celebrate your Easter.
Woo!
But this is like light and refreshing. I don't feel guilty about having this because it was light coconut milk, pineapple, and that's about it. I mean, the syrup has sugar in it, but...
Well, it has jelly beans, but it doesn't have like any more jelly beans you wouldn't have in one sitting while eating jelly beans.
Yeah, it's totally good.
Yeah.
Mine's all gone. I'm gonna have to go in for more.
Oh, help yourself.